Do you do some cooking at home now?
Only occasionally. I mean, I am a great cook, but I don't usually clean up after myself, which is why I'm not exactly welcome in the kitchen. You know, my mom just doesn't like it when I make a huge mess in the kitchen. Like, I get grease everywhere whenever I cook.
Do you think your home is clean and tidy?
Yeah, but I wouldn't say it's spotless because there's always cat hair all over the house. You know, they just can't stop shedding. But it's definitely neat because my mom is, she just can't stand clutter. So she declutters the house every week and keeps it really organized.
Did you do some house cleaning when you were young?
Truth be told, I didn't grow up doing a lot of chores. You know, my childhood was a breeze. My parents never expected me to be useful around the house. Like, they were never like, you live here too, you have to pull your weight.
Do you have breakfast at home every day?
No, my mornings are usually very hectic. You know, I am always too rushed to physically like sit down and have breakfast with my parents. So I normally just pack a sandwich for breakfast, and I feel like it's very easy to eat on the go.
Do you want to learn how to cook?
I guess so. I mean, I think it can be very empowering if I can get better at cooking. Like, I don't have to rely on takeout food or go to a restaurant whenever I have a craving. I can just like look up the recipes online and whip up a meal in like 20 minutes.
What housework do you like doing?
I've grown to like vacuuming a lot. I mean, I kind of love watching all the dust and dirt getting sucked up by my vacuum, which is oddly satisfying and therapeutic.
What housework do you dislike doing?
My least favorite chore would have to be doing dishes. I hate any chore that gets my hands dirty. So I usually don't do it until all the dishes eventually pile up and I get super stressed just by looking at them.